just a project update. As we get closer to the end, we're finishing up all of our final touches. We're especially inside the building now that you'll get on the ride. When you walk in there, you'll see a huge fireplace and a massive ceiling with lots of wood finishes. So the carpenters are working on all of that. Outside the building, we're working on all the exit and entry ramps, so the places that you'll stand in line getting excited to get on the ride, and the pathways you'll follow as you get off. And then other final touches around the ride, fencing and final electrical and concrete pathways that you'll walk up in order to get on the roller coaster. We're getting really excited, we're getting close to the end, and we can't wait to open up this ride.